Oh, Haïtien rassemblé, nous tout concerné. Pour ça pas bon, pour ça pas bien passé, c'est tout qu'à prier.
Yo dit bah là c'est Kafou même li frappé en vent.
Oui.
Qui est-ce qui écrasé?
Violette avec Malie là, pas connaître?
Oui, oui, oui.
Pas de fort.
Est-ce que qui est grotte là?
Mais nous pas attendre c'est Yvose.
OK, Yvose parle en caille là.
Non, Yvose pas dans caille, Yvose était Fontamara.
Bon, ou dis-moi ça que gen caille qui tombé et qui
Yvose, non, pas Yvose, donc caille Malie là avec Violette. Il a blessé lui.
OK. Mais
Rassemblés, c'est pour nous rassembler.
Oh, Haïtien rassemblé, nous tout concerné. Pour ça pas bon, pour ça pas bien passé, c'est tout qu'à prier.
Okay, now I have on the phone the executive director of Women Beyond Survival, WBS, a non-profit organization that's doing humanitarian work throughout the world. And Ms. Sarkin is ready to travel to Haiti to bring relief, medical supply, and I'll be traveling with her. How are you doing, Sophia?
Hi, Smith. I'm very saddened about this earthquake, and I have the medical supplies ready to go to bring relief, and Smith Georges and I will be traveling to Haiti to give immediate relief.
Okay, do you have a website?
Yes, I do. It's www.womenbeyondsurvival.org.
Sophia, I understand that you have a non-profit organization, is a 501c3. What else can you tell us about it?
That people can donate freely and have complete tax deductions and write-offs because my organization is a 501c3, a nonprofit status organization.
So people can make donation through your website?
Absolutely, immediately through my website, through PayPal. They just need to say for Haiti.
It's for Haiti. So, so the medical supplies that you have, are they ready to go right away?
Yes, they are.
Okay, good. So what we're going to do now, we're asking all the folks who are listening right now to go to your website, which is on the screen, and they can make a donation. And also, they know that you are traveling. I'll be traveling with you, by the way, and right away to bring relief to the Haitians who have been affected by this major catastrophe. Anything else you want to say?
I think I'd like to have a word of silence for the people who have died and the families that are suffering in Haiti.
Okay, I hope everybody who's listening observe a moment of silence, and looking forward to travel with you, Sophia. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Smith. Looking forward to it as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, Haïtien rassemblé, nous tout concerné. Pour ça pas bon, pour ça pas bien passé, c'est tout